to fix Coinbase not opening an iPhone. So to fix Coinbase not opening on your iPhone, the first thing what you can do is first close the app. You see, when you open your Coinbase and it's not even opening, you can just simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen, pause in the middle to open the app switcher, and then swipe away the Coinbase app from your multitasking screen. Then try to reopen it again. Now the next thing what you can do is turn your device completely off and back on to clear temporary system glitches, or just scroll down the control center from the top of your screen and toggle airplane mode on and off, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Or you can just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Coinbase app, and if you see an update button available right here, instead of open, tap on update to get the latest version. Or you can just go to the existing Coinbase app on your device, then tap and hold on it. Now tap remove app. Now tap delete app to confirm it. Once deleted, go back to your app store, find the Coinbase app, and then reinstall it from there. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.